Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to download Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Ulefone Note 13P. So first let's open our Google Play Store and here try finding Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game that we're looking for, so go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, reveal family, then parental controls, and right here you need to either disable parental controls entirely or click on the apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards. Go back, and now if we try to find Call of Duty, it's fixed and the game is right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.